Venus. Yes. You must wondering what I have written. Yes. These are the names of Earth. And this is the explanation board for every name. Okay? Yes. First we can explain what is Earth. That is the name. Main name. Okay? Let's skip there and move to the second. Yes, third planet from the sun. Yes, third planet from the sun. How? Look, I have drawn a solar system, but I can reach Neptune, so I will stop at the Uranus there. Okay. This is Earth. Okay. You know what is Earth. Okay? Listen. Earth. Look. Sun. And I tell you in the previous two videos that Mercury is the first, Venus is the second. So Earth is the third. Yes. So we can explain that it is true. Okay. Let's draw another picture. Okay. Now, next explanation. Okay. Again, 1 minute. Two. Okay. Next is Venus is twin. Yes, Venus is twin. Okay, Venus is twin. What is Venus' twin? Earth. But you know what is Venus is not? Earth's twin? Yes. You know, twins are dependent on each other. So, twins need to do for each other, okay? In many billion years ago, Earth and Venus were formed in the same why they are twin? Yes. They are same size and same mass. Okay? But there is one difference. It is not the hottest. Yes. We can, what is Venus' sister? That is also Earth. In the previous video, in Venus, I told that Earth's twin and Earth's sister. Now I am doing Venus' twin and Venus' sister. Why is that? Because they are dependent on each other. So there are twins. Twins and sisters. Look, this arrow mark is telling Venus' twin or sister. This arrow is telling Earth's twin or sister. So you can easily understand from drawing this. Okay? Let's draw like this so we can understand that Earth and Venus are same density and they are twins. Okay? Okay. Let's take these two. Now we need to take blue planet. Okay? So let's draw it right. Okay? Imagine this is the Earth. Okay? I will color two cuts. 1 minute. Now it's better. And okay, let's draw blue is equal to water. And red is equal to land. Okay, let's draw it. Okay, this land. Okay, let's color. Look, imagine. Yes, you have seen this. Okay, now tell me, which is the now has many percentage? Yes, water. Let's understand like this way. Imagine these three are 70% and this are the red, the land is 30% of the mass of Earth. Okay, the surface covers 70% is water and there is only 30% land on the Earth. Okay, now I understand that why it is called blue. There is an easy way. It is also called water planet because there is so much water that it when we look at space, it will like a blue marble. That's why it is called the blue planet. Okay, check. Okay, now life planet. This need no explanation. You have understood what is life planet. Yes, it is the only planet. I will write in the board. minute. I need to get a marker. Okay. Okay. Card. So let's read. Okay. Earth is the only planet that has life. That's why it is called life planet. Yes. You know that Earth has life. That's why it is called life planet. But you need to also understand Earth is the only planet that has life in the solar system. Okay? There is a paragraph in here that Earth is the okay? So you can understand that Earth is the only planet that have life in the solar system. Solar system. That's why it is called life planet. Okay? There is three words inside this in the solar system. Okay? That's why I draw this arrow mark. Okay. Now you understand that what is the meaning of all the names. Now we can rub. Have you understand? Have you understand the names? Okay, you have not understand it. So you have not understand it. You can watch my video from first. Okay. You need to need the Venus video or Mercury's video. Click my channel so you can get more videos. Yes. So I can rub this line, not use now. Okay. Now you have understood the names. Now we need to understand what is the Earth's layers. So we can go through that and we can understand. Now we need to know what is the main things that made Earth. Okay, let's learn. You know that Earth has life and so many. Now, look. And we can write Earth and draw a box. And let's split Earth as 3 parts. And there is I have written that Earth is equal to biosphere. Wait, we need to learn what is biosphere. We need to learn what is the 3 parts, okay? Okay, so let's learn again. So, I tell you that Earth is divided into 3 parts. Yes, lithosphere, again lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere. Okay? Let's learn each of them. Okay? First, lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Yes, lithosphere is the soil. This is called also the soil. Also called the soil sphere. Or it is the all the soil can form lithosphere. It is lithosphere. Let's write. 1 minute. Okay. Lithosphere. Okay. We learned that this lithosphere is made of soil. Now we need to know what is the types. Let's learn examples. Example, okay? Red soil, black soil, and etc. Okay, etc. You are must be wondering what I haven't written humus. Yes, you know that humus is it is not a soil, it is a compost. It is made up of dead plants or dead animals, etc. It is called humus. Humus. It is the name for compost. Okay? It is it is not soil. Okay? Red soil, black soil, etc. Okay. We learned what is lithosphere. So we can tick here. Let's write a couple of boxes. Okay. Now we need to know what is atmosphere. atmosphere. You know, atmosphere. Yes, right, atmosphere. Atmosphere. You know, what is atmo? Atmo means air. Sphere means, you know, sphere. It is also sphere. Okay. So, we can write atmosphere is equal to air's sphere. Okay. So, we learned what is atmosphere means. Yes, air sphere. So, it is made of air. So, we can write. So, we can write that so we learn that atmosphere is equal to air sphere. So you need to understand even more. Look here. Atmo means air, sphere means sphere. When we describe atmosphere, write air sphere. And atmosphere is made up of air. But I told atmosphere has layers but no examples. Yes, let's write the layers. Okay, let's write. Yes, let's write the layers. The layers of atmosphere. So atmosphere, okay? The layers of atmosphere. First layer is wait a minute. I have drawing here, so I can explain the layers. There are 5 layers in atmosphere. First is troposphere. Second is okay. I have written all the names of the layers. Okay. First name is troposphere. Troposphere is the layer that we can breathe, air and so many. So where we standing, that is troposphere. Troposphere starts at where we are standing, okay? where we are standing, that is the troposphere's start. It ends at 21 kilometers above Earth. Okay, let's write that. Also, troposphere is the only layer that is capable of life. So we can write troposphere is made of troposphere is mostly made of nitrogen. Yes, I have written that troposphere is mostly made with life. Yes, only troposphere has the capability to bring life. And next is stratosphere. This is where the birds and some jets fly. And mesosphere. Mesosphere is where comets, asteroids and so many, that space debris, space debris crash into Earth and burn up in the mesosphere. It made up there, it is not burned there, so it will crash in Earth. Troposphere. Troposphere, what is troposphere? Yes. Tempo means temperature, okay? Tempo means temperature. Temperature. And sphere is sphere. Temperature, in this layer, temperature are regulated. And in the middle of troposphere and exosphere is ozone layer. That is not, it is made of air, but not every air. It is only made with ozone, also called O3. Yes, it is made up of 3 oxygen molecules. I mean molecules are atoms. It is made 3 oxygen atoms. So it can reflect the sun's rays. This is UV light, UV or UV rays from the sun. It can also protect from radiation. So, why it is not included in the layers of atmosphere? Atmosphere means air. Air is the between the eighth, the seventh molecule, the sixth, and the tenth molecule. I mean, it is composed of many air, but ozone layer is made with only oxygen. That's why it is not included in the atmosphere. Then the last is exosphere. What is exosphere? Exosphere has little air and it is also called the microgravity sphere. Also, exosphere is microgravity, means it has less gravity. In space, there is no gravity. The atmosphere connects with Earth and the exosphere connects the Earth and the space connected with exosphere. Exosphere is like a transparent layer, but it protects us from. It not protects us, but when it can enter, you know, when the troposphere is always there, the ozone layer will damage, but exosphere traps them and puts it. Without exosphere, Earth will not be easy. Its atmosphere will also disappear. Okay? It is not happening now. So, we have to not worry. I have told the atoms, but this is an Earth video. So, it is made with atoms. I have told you that we sulfuric acid, that is also atoms or molecules. So let's put a tick around atmosphere. Okay, have all that. So it is last hydrosphere. You know, we can hear that hydro. What is hydro? Yes, hydro means, you know, water. Is water. But you must wondering, what is hydrogen? Is made with water? No. It is in long years ago, scientists have invented, it is not man-made, it is natural. They discovered that hydro means it is found in water. They scanned the water and found an atom. That atom was hydrogen. Hydro means water, gen means inside. Water's inside, okay? Yes, that's right. Hydrosphere is equal to water sphere. Okay, hydrosphere, water sphere. Okay, let's write the examples. Water has so many forms. Let's write few of them. Wells, river, sea, ocean, and let's write etc. etc. Okay? Okay. Hydrosphere means water sphere. Examples are well, river, sea, ocean, etc. So, we learn what is hydrosphere. So, we can learn what is biosphere. Yes, you have understood this. So, you can understand what is biosphere. Biosphere is this all. Let's draw an arrow. And here and here. This is equal here. I have to draw this line. thought that Earth is equal to biosphere because Earth has three of them, so it can protect itself or it can do itself, so it can understand even more. Okay. Now we need to know what are the layers of Earth. You have understood what are the main things to have life: lithosphere, atmosphere, and so on. That's why it is called a biosphere. What is also biosphere is also called what? Yes, life sphere. A biosphere means it is made with life. So we can learn layers of Earth. Let's draw Earth. Okay, these are the layers of Earth. And let's write the names of them. There are 5 layers: Earth, crust, upper mantle, lower mantle, outer core, inner core. Yes, these are the layers of Earth. So let's color them, and their colors are so different. Okay, these are the colors. And the most red is the hottest, and the white is hottest. Okay, so let's have color then. So we can the borders. Okay, so we have learned what are the layers, but we need to learn what is the explanation for them. Yes, crust. First layer, crust. So crust is made of land and water. Crust. Yes, we can draw. This is the crust. We can divide them 3 and color. Yes, this part is not colored. So this is the land. Also 30%. These 3 is 70%. Okay. So, crust is made of water and land. But we need to know what is the mantle made of? Let's know. Yes, upper mantle. So we have to put a tick here. So we have done the crust and the upper mantle. You know, upper mantle is the mantle that the mantle, okay, the mantle are divided into two parts, upper mantle and lower mantle. But upper mantle and lower mantle is made of the same thing, molten rocks. Okay, molten rocks means liquid rocks. Let's write liquid rocks. Okay. So molten rocks, liquid rocks. So we have learned what is upper mantle and lower mantle. And now we need to know what is the outer. Yes, outer core and inner core are same things, but there are different states. First we need to know what is outer. Outer core is like a liquid. But it is made up of nickel alloy, so nickel alloys, wait a minute, outer core, nickel alloys, iron. Okay, outer core is made up of nickel alloys, iron. Now we need to know. So liquid, outer core is liquid. So we can write liquid is equal to outer core. Now let's remove this liquid and write solid. And outer and let's write inner. Yes. But we have to not change these atoms. So solid means inner core. But nickel alloys and iron are same things at outer core. So they are same. So we have learned what are the layers of earth and their explanations. So now we need to know what the earth look like. Okay. I have to say one more thing. The crust is also made of landforms. Okay, let's learn what are the landforms. The first landforms. Okay, landforms. First, desert, plains, plateaus, islands, mountains. Okay, these are the landforms of Earth. Okay, landforms. Desert, plains, plateaus, islands, mountains. So, desert. Desert is a bunch of sand. Yes? No. It is called hot regions. Okay? Hot regions. It's also called hot regions. So, desert is equal to So we have to match. First, what is desert? I tell you that hot regions. What are plains? Yes, flat land. Okay, it is a flat and no bump or hump. Plains, flat land. What is plateaus? Oh no, you don't know plateaus. So let's move to the next. Islands, no, you know. Islands are a land with surrounded water. So island is equal to land surrounded with water. And what are hills? Hills are humpland. When land is little or this much, not flat, this is called a hill. It's not flat and it is have a hump. That's why it is called humpland. And what are mountains? That's large hills. You know, mountains have a sharp point and there are very large hills. So we can point mountains with large hills with sharp points. But plateaus are flat mountains because mountain's top is flat. That's why it is called flat mountains. So plateaus, flat mountains. I have a question. You will answer or not, I don't know. But I will tell you the answer. Which is the largest plateau in the world? Where is that? Yes, Tibet. Tibet is mostly covered with plateaus. It is in the China. So Tibet is made with plateaus. Okay, we have learned what are landforms. So let's move to how the earth looks. So I have to tell you, but I can't write it. So you can understand that. I will tell you. There are clouds, rain and so on. So how form clouds? Let's draw this. This is a river. So you are wondering what I am saying. Yes, this is the water cycle. First, water, because of the sun, water evaporates and form clouds. Because that is cooler, clouds will take all the small water droplets and form big ones. So it will fall as rain. And the rain is accumulated to the river. But there is a song for this water cycle. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, accumulation. Okay? You have to, or there is an easy way. E, C, P, A. E, C, P, A. Okay? So we can tell E for evaporation, C for condensation, P for precipitation, A for accumulation. So, you have learned what are the water cycle. Now we need to know how is water formed. So we can learn water cycle without water? No. So water is H2O. What is H2O? It looks like this. like this. This is water molecule. These two H are H2 or two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen. So O. Yes, H2O. We will write H2O. Okay. So we learned what. Now we need to know what are the biggest and the biggest things. Okay. What is the biggest island? Biggest island? Greenland. Okay. Greenland. And biggest island. Okay. Biggest desert. Desert is equal to Sahara. Desert. Okay. Sahara Desert. And now, longest river. Longest or largest. One minute. So, longest river is equal to, yes, Amazon river? No, Nile river. Thickest river? We need to learn these facts so we can learn it even more. Biggest island, Greenland. Biggest desert, Sahara Desert. Longest river, Nile River. Thickest river, Amazon River. And I have written not a river. So I can wrap the first and the second facts and write. And which is the coldest place? Coldest place is equal to East Antarctica. Okay, you need to learn these facts, they are main. So, thank you. And we can learn next thing. What are? Yes, continents. Let's learn what are the continents. Continents. Okay. First, Asia. Second, Europe. Third, North America. Oceania. O. What is the spelling of ocean? So first read ocean. Then rub E and N. Yes, Oceania. But I don't know spelling, so Oceania. Okay, this is not the correct spelling. So Oceania. These are the continents. First, let Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. It covers 40, I don't know what it covers, but it is the largest continent. I will write the some countries of that continent. India, China, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. Yes. And comma, also etc. Okay. This is the names. These are the names of the countries of Asia. India, China, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. Okay. Europe, Europe is the fifth, it is the, what I say, yes, it is the fifth largest. Yes, it is the fifth largest and I will write the countries. Germany, France, France, and it is okay. I have only this much I know. And North America. North America have so many countries, but when we see in the globe, we can directly see only 3 of them. There's right there. Canada, USA, and Mexico. And it is okay. There are not 3 countries. South America. South America, South America is down the North America. So, South America's countries are Brazil, and etc. Okay, I only know Brazil and Argentina. Okay, Brazil, Argentina, etc. Now Antarctica. But Antarctica, I know only Antarctica's country, only one. Egypt, South Africa, and etc. I have told what are the Africa's countries. Now the last, Oceania. Why Oceania is called Oceania? Yes, Oceania is made with mostly with water. It is made with islands only. So Oceania's countries are Australia, New Zealand, and etc. Okay, let's read. Okay, let's read. Let's read. Continents. Asia's countries are India, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, etc. Europe, Germany, France, etc. North America, Canada, USA, Mexico, etc. South America, Brazil and Argentina, etc. Antarctica, South Pole, etc. Africa, Egypt, South Africa. Oceania, Australia, New Zealand, etc. So we have learned what are the countries of each continent. So now we need to see the earth. Okay? We have studied all that. We will not need the countries to learn because it will be a lengthy video. So I'm not telling the countries. But I have to show the picture to you. Yes. This is the picture. Now look. Look at this. You think the earth look like this? No. And I have to tell the satellites and so many. But now we need to know what is the axis of evil. What is the axis of evil? Yes. The earth is like in this motion. So the earth is now like a top rolling around the sun. Yes, it is a top, but it is an invisible top. So I can draw here moon. Okay. This is called the axis of devil. I mean evil. This axis is the main role for Earth's seasons. And now we need to know what are the moon. Moon is the satellite of, not that satellite which TV and ISS, no, that is not. I mean the natural satellite. That's why the first satellite was invented. They were saying the satellite of Earth, Moon, because they have no idea what are the artificial and what is the natural. So they named Moon the satellite. Now we have to learn that Moon is the natural because it is made from nature. But the satellites like these ones, these ones like a stick with so many petals. Like these ones. Yes, these are the artificial satellites and this is the natural. So we learn what are the natural and the unnatural. I mean artificial. So we learned what is this. Now we need to know what are the seasons. 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 Seasons are, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Let's spring, monsoon, summer, winter, autumn. Autumn. Okay, I don't know spelling of autumn. So, autumn. Autumn. Okay. Just don't write it. Don't write this word. Like the meaning. Spring is this. What is spring? Let's draw. I need to draw a cycle so you can understand what. So I have written only 4 seasons. Why I don't write the monsoon? Monsoon come in every season. Okay. So we can, these dots are when the monsoon comes. You notice that summer has only little or no dots. So summer is so hot that no rain can come. So monsoon is so much in spring. No? And autumn are little. Winter. Yes, monsoon's next form is winter. So there is also some rain of hail or cold water. So we have understood what are the seasons. So now we need to know what are the rotations. Yes, this rotation and this rotation. This rotation is called revolution and this rotation is also called rotation. But Earth needs 365 days to revolve around the sun, and it needs 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds not as same as that. Point 24 days. Okay. What is this 24? It is the extra day. It need 1 more minute to revolve. So that's why it calls leap years. Someday we will say it is the 366. But is it true? It is true. 366 days are there. But in calendars there are not. There is extra day for that. So we have write all the days and we have understand it. Now we need to draw a flow chart. Okay. Yes. Second minute. I will discuss this in the time. When we talk the time topic, so I will tell you that. What is time and what is the time, everything. So we learned what is earth and so many. Now we need to know what are the rocks. I need to know that rocks because this is a video not rocks video. But I can tell what are the presentations, but I don't need it because I will tell in the rain video. So stop it. And now I am showing you the Earth's total picture. It is not a real globe, but it is a picture